Alrighty, let's take a look at some of this music-related castings. Got to start with my favorite band of all time, AC/DC. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. The Deco Delivery, Highway to Hell, Van. Yep, I like that. And of course the Highway Hauler, the High Voltage Highway Hauler. These all have real riders on them, which is a plus. The Who. Very well done, I must say. The Partridge Family, how about that? Remember the old Partridge Family? I actually have this one in the card, or in the bubble. Carded still. The Partridge Family. Another Who. Van. I. His Ozness. And I know Kiss has a lot, and I have a lot of other Kiss cars that were done, I believe, by Johnny Lightning, but I don't know, they're not as cool as these. Oh, look at the hood popped on Ozzy's little vehicle. I guess the bats had to get out somehow, huh? All right, let's see what else we got. Elvis. Never been a fan of Elvis. Don't know why I have this. Don't know where I got it. But Elvis, there it is. Johnny Lightning Elvis. I guess I got it because it's a Mustang. Because there was some kind of method in my madness. Can't beat a little Maiden, huh? The 1932 Ford Highboy. Aces high, man. That's a cool ride. Number of the Beast bus. What's on the back of these? Oh, a little record. Ah. Okay, is there a record on the other one? So there is. Different picture of Eddie there. Okay. Oh, here's some more Kissmobiles. I have this one loose somewhere. Actually, I have both these loose. They must be somewhere in my station wagon collection. These are cool. Another one from Ozzy. Actually, there's the one I just showed you with a popping hood from Ozzy. I don't have a ton of these, but the Guns N' Roses, Johnny Lightning, Chevy Vega. Kind of like the Vega. Probably should get more since I'm so into music. Wow, looks like I have another one of these. Okay, not sure why I have so many of the panel truck, but it seems like I was right into that for a while. And got these ones carded, the ones I just showed you. Still have these carded. And just a couple more. They're all AC/DC actually. The Back in Black El Camino. Actually, it's a Ranchero, but it says Back in Black, but that's a Highway to Hell picture on there. It's a cool ride. I don't have that one loose, so yeah. Another Kiss ride. I do have that one loose as well. Now let's finish it off with the Convoy Custom. That's a cool one too. So that's basically a short vid of some of the cool musical rides in my collection. Most of them carded, but once again I have some in these shelves over there as well. But wow, wouldn't this look nice out, huh? That would look fantastic out of the package. I think a little cracking is in order very soon.